can't seem to run away. Thinking about it every day, I can't forget these memories. Though I shouldn't be surprised, a teardrop forming in my eye. Why did I sit there and watch you walk away? I thought that time would help me heal all this pain I had to feel, but I always remember the day when the rain started falling. You were here with me through the night. You are all I see, but as I come closer, you would disappear. So I know that you were never really here. I'm trying hard to keep it in, don't even know where to begin. You're doing this to me. This feeling that I can't explain. What's the use now anyway? I can fight this emotion. Although I have tried so hard, you had to leave me in the dark. Now we are strangers 1,000 miles apart. I thought this rain night would flush all the memories of us, but I always remember because when the rain starts falling, you're by my side, and I'm left with no place to hide. All the pain I suffer never goes away. I'm reminded of you on the rainy day. I just don't know how we just fell apart so suddenly. There is nowhere in your heart for me. I know that it's my fault. I was so blinded from this pride, and I'm left here alone in the night. When the rain started falling, you were here with me through the night. You are all I see. All this pain I suffer never goes away. I'm reminded of you on the rainy day. You are like the raindrop falling from above, giving life to me with your love.